Okay, this is my data worksheet, and then I add a dashboard. Okay, I'm gonna select this first of all, and then I put everything in one like this. Okay, then I'm going to make this equal to not in this one, so I'm gonna remove this. Okay, click, and here I'm going to increase this. Okay, put in this like this, and then is prior and current, and I'm going to make some space. Insert prior and current. Then we have rank, and here we have the progress. So this is equal to prior, and this is equal to current. Then we have this is equal to the rank, and this is equal to the progress. Now I'm going to do the following. I'm going to select this, align in the center. Then I get the rank. So first of all, these are have to be aligned. I can give also another font. In this I'm going to give this, for example. Okay, you give some styles. The rank, I'm going to do conditional formatting, icon set. I'm going to show this. I'm going to conditional formatting. I'm going to manage this edit rule, show icon only. Okay, when the value is number greater or equal to 3, and when the value is 2. So here we are. See, the rank is this. Then the progress, I'm going to do conditional formatting, icon set, and I'm going to use these icons here. Okay, now I'm going to manage the rules. This one, edit the rule. When the value is greater than 2, it's 1, show icon only. Okay, progress is 0. Manage rules, number. Okay, so we have this, and if I'm going to and these have no, okay, I can adjust this. And increase. Okay, they can also change, of course, these values. So now you understand what I created is a certain value. So we have this here. The progress is this. Okay, and then we're going to take this and drag this down. You're gonna insert, I'm gonna format this. Okay, I'm gonna do this as well. And this one, I'm gonna format this with this. Okay. Okay, so then you can continue to do the same exercise. I'll copy this, paste. Okay, and you can create your dashboard. Now you understand how to use only conditional formatting. You see, okay, the rank and the progress.